Upcoming Chinese drama, Meet Me in Your Sound.
The historical romance drama, Meet Me in Your Sound, has finished filming on July 2021. This drama, produced by iQIYI and the Next Stop Media, tells the story of everyone in the great Dongsheng continent, has a good ear for music. Young master Yun Mu is known for his love of music, but no one is aware of his terrifying secret. While was on the way to Yunyao to recruit musicians, Yun Mu hears Su Ruofei's music, and unwittingly discovers that she is an extraordinary existence for him. As such, he tries to lure her to become his private musician. Little do they know that their fates have long been entangled due to a magical light.